Hi there, this is Christian Baker from christianbaker.net and the Achieve podcast. In previous episodes, I've shared with you the importance of getting clear on what it is that you actually want. But then actually taking the time to focus on that every single day in whatever way works for you. Just deliberately take time to think, to picture, to imagine, to focus on what it is that you actually want, the things you would like to enjoy, achieve, and accomplish in your life. Now, if you do those two things, you're helping yourself tremendously. But thinking about what you want isn't enough. You then need to start to take action towards making it happen. So there you go. The first two steps are get clear, decide what it is that you want, and that's going to help you tremendously. Then take time to focus on it every day and keep it fresh in your mind. But then you have to take action towards making it happen. Remember, thinking is not enough. So what habits, what routines can you create that you put into practice every day towards making it happen? First of all, make a plan of action. Decide what you need to do to help move you closer towards it. Break it down into small steps. Don't kind of get overwhelmed with the bigger picture of everything that you need to do to make it happen. Break it down and ask yourself better questions. Focus on what's the one thing I can do today? What's the next best thing I can do that's going to move me forward towards achieving the goals and the life that I want? I've shared before the idea of every single month creating a 28-day challenge. And that's just helping you every month to reset and decide what's important to you. Inside my membership club, the Personal Best Membership Club, every month we have this Focus 30, where everybody in the club kind of sets themselves what's their main focus for the next 30 days. You know, we look at the bigger picture of what they want to achieve, but then we say, well, okay, so what do you want to do? What can you do in the next 30 days? And do it every single day. You know, what can you put into practice that helps move you closer to achieving what you want to achieve day by day? And the compounding effects of that daily action is going to help get you closer to it. You've got a choice. You can either leave it to chance and hope that life doesn't get in the way and you don't get distracted by other events and other things. Or you can set an intention, create a plan, and choose what you are going to do every single day. It doesn't matter how big or small the action is, but that consistent action towards it is going to help you break it down towards making it happen. Whether you set yourself some sort of habit tracker to tick it off every day, whether you make a note in your phone or your diary, whatever you need to do, just create a plan and then execute it and do something every single day that's going to help you to achieve the life and the goals that you want. So that's your action for today. Decide what you want, get clear on it, focus on it every day, but then make a plan and take action every day towards making it happen. Remember, what your mind believes, you will achieve. So think differently, believe in yourself, take action, and you can achieve the life that you want. And if you want any extra assistance to help you to master your mind, visit my website, christianbaker.net, where you can get access and you can enroll in my free video course to help you to master your mind and get a free copy of my Relax and Unwind Mindset Reset audio. So go and have a look at that and let me know what you are going to do to help you make your goals happen now.